I am not ninja walking. I'm walking normally. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer Tech. Also Netcruzer Cars, because I'm at a car event right now. But what we're going to do for tech related stuff is we're going to test the DJI Osmo Action versus the GoPro Hero 7. Both are set to similar quality field of view, both set for D-Warp on, 60 frames a second. The Osmo's in 4K 60 because it can do that, and the GoPro is in 2.7K 60 because that's the highest you can go where you can still do a linear mode or a D-Warp. Mostly we're just comparing colors and exposure and field of view versus resolution. The Osmo is going to have higher resolution because it's running at 4K, and the GoPro is on 2.7. I'm in my Volkswagen Vanagon Westfalia right now, and if you want to see the current way I've got the rig set up, this is how I've got it set up. I've got two cameras hooked up onto one on a GorillaPod wrapped around, and we're just going to go for a little walk around the show. So yeah, let's go. Let's see what it's like. Oh yeah, you lose the display. You lose the display on the Osmo Action within like a minute, so that's not very good. Let me just close up my van here. Lighting is fairly harsh conditions right now. It is, I believe it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. What time is it? Let me just close up my van here. Lighting is fairly harsh conditions right now. It is, I believe it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. What time is it? Yeah, 3:30 in the afternoon. And just here at BusFusion 2019. And here's a comparison of DJI Osmo Action versus GoPro Hero 7. There is a band playing down at the beach right now, so we'll go take a look at that. Here's a shot of a van. You know, how distorted is it? They should not be distorted because I have D-Warp on. So that's the thing, is that with D-Warp on, you get a more accurate representation. Here's a backlight scenario. Looks like my face is in a lot of shadow right now. And there's a band at the beach.
And the other rule is, if someone offers you a cookie, don't eat half. And the other rule is, if someone offers you a cookie, don't eat half. Oh, one other mention, a coffee parade. It's 4 p.m. at the Ag Hall. So when you go in here, you'll have this one.
There are about 250 buses at this event. So I'm just going to do a very quick walk around, just get you a sense of what things are like here. I need to adjust the settings on the Osmo so it stops turning the screen off, because it shuts the screen off after 1 minute. But I do like on the Osmo how I can put myself in rule of thirds, because I can actually see that. Otherwise I would just try and do this. I would be set in the center. So here's some buses as we come along. Both are with stabilization on. GoPro Hero 7 is set for hypersmooth, and DJI Osmo Action is set for rock steady. I am not ninja walking. I'm walking normally, handheld, not stabilized with any kind of device other than my hand. And we're just going to see how stable is this. From what I've heard, Osmo has a slightly better stability than the GoPro, but that's why we're testing it right now. There's a Jeep pulling in. It's a cool setup. Ooh, that was a sweet sounding Audi. Did you hear the exhaust on that Audi? Gotta check that out. It's an RS3. It's a new RS3. Heck yeah. New RS3 looks great. Beautiful. Sweet. Got some tie-dye workshops here. There was a tie-dye facility where you could make your own tie-dye this morning. That was a cool thing. Selling a bunch of stuff over there. And overall, this is BusFusion. Ooh, what do we got here? Beautiful. Is this Z4?
The new Z4 19.
Yeah, beautiful. Kind of similar to what they made dealt with Toyota to make the new Supra as well, right? Same platform. Wow, 2019 BMW Z4, amazing. Very nice.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Nice headlight details on the new Z4. Cool. New 2019 Z4. I have not seen one of those in person yet. So yeah, that is the new design that they built also the Supra off of, collaboration between BMW and Toyota. Now when you want to upgrade vehicles, you can upgrade to something like a Sprinter van. That'll give you a bit more comfort. Now we got here a black GTI walking up on. Again, this is mostly just stability testing in different lighting scenarios. As I've been walking around, the light has changed from being in front of me to behind me, so now the light is behind me. Whoops. Yes, now the light is behind me. Overall, we're just doing a stability test. How locked is the horizon right now as my hand is bouncing up and down quite heavily as I'm just walking normally. And we're going to see how do they compare. Alright guys, I've pretty much done my loop now. And if you enjoyed this, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm not going to give any opinions right now because it's bright and sunny out. I can barely see what they're doing. So we'll have to see after I edit it what they look like. Alright guys, thanks for watching.